Laclede Chain Manufacturing Company presents installation for Laclede truck cable chains. Pre-fit your chains before they're required. It is critical to check that the chains you have fit your tire. Before installing, make sure you are in a safe area, such as a parking lot, a designated chain-up area, or a clear section of the shoulder. Tire chains are always installed on the drive wheels of the car. Make sure you know which tires power the car before installing your chains. Step 1. Remove the chains from the bag and lay them flat with a cross cable anchors facing up. Before installing, the anchors should look like this. The outside fastener should be away from the vehicle. Inspect the chain and remove any twists to allow for proper installation. Step 2. Drape the chains evenly over the tire, making sure the outside fastener is on the outside of the tire. Step 3. Roll the vehicle so that the tire rotates about 1/4 turn. Step 4. Connect the fastener on the inside to the first nub, then repeat for the outside fastener. The fasteners for Laclede cable chains are frequently installed incorrectly. The correct way to install the fastener is by slipping it onto the tail nub. The incorrect way to install the fasteners is threading the tail through the fastener. Step 5. Adjust the chains and alternate taking up nubs between the inside and outside fasteners. There should be no more than one nub difference between the inside and outside fasteners. Step 6. Move the vehicle about 15 feet, then adjust the inside and outside fasteners to take up any slack. Final tips for installing tire chains. Practice installing your chains before you need them. Apply the parking brake while installing tire chains. Do not spin your tires when starting. Do not lock your brakes when you're stopping. Avoid driving on dry pavement. Avoid traveling faster than 30 miles per hour. Avoid hitting curbs. Retighten your chains frequently.